What do you think is the best way to play China right now?
I think the best way to play it is to look for the stocks where you're taking a longer term view and have a positive outlook, not getting too concerned about, what may happen around reopening in the very short term, because I think that's going to be continuing with some volatility. We probably wouldn't expect to hear much this side of November with the policy meetings, and then perhaps again with the policy meetings we're seeing in April. So in terms of that sort of larger reopening story, it's probably more of a 2023. Of course, markets will preempt that, but as a result, we do see a lot of value that has turned up, from a bottom-up perspective, and we think focusing on those individual ideas is probably your best course of action, rather than trying to consider the beta of the overall China market for now.
What are some of those good individual ideas?
Yeah, well, we can't go into individual stocks, as you know, but we have seen certain component suppliers, whether that be in aspects of the real estate market, which has clearly been some of the good stocks have been thrown out. With the bathwater, as one can look at. So we've seen quite a few interesting ideas there. We're seeing quite a few sort of popping up in parts of the food chain, in EV and in some of the new energy markets. And I think that's the sort of nature of what we see when everyone gets very, very concerned over the overall market. It tends to drag down a lot of the stocks, and we are seeing that a few of these are getting to very cheap valuations. The outlooks, even though they may be uncertain in the very short term, are still very positive over the medium term, and we think that that is how you probably need to focus on the market for now. That being said, at some point we think there will be some reopening and there will be some great opportunities on that, but we think the short-term pure focus on that is probably not the best place to sort of add alpha for now.